This week's project really surprised me. Going into it, I thought it would be a rather simple and straightforward side table, but now looking at it, I think with this project I unlocked some techniques and aesthetics that I will repeat in future furniture pieces, and especially around this house. As you know, right now I'm on a mission to build every single piece of furniture for a new house, and if you want to see what I've done so far, there will be a playlist at the end of this video. As I said, this week I wanted to build a side table. There was one thing that I noticed. When I come home, I have a tendency to just empty my pockets, get rid of all the stuff, sunglasses, keys, headphones, and I usually put it on the kitchen counter, and that always, of course, looks messy. So for the side table, I thought, why not come up with some storage solution that would deal with this clutter? I started sketching and found some ideas that I was pretty happy with. So here we go. am so happy with this project. It's baby burped. It started as a super simple idea for a side table, but these little solutions, the cutting the bolts and the leather cubbies, is something that I'm just very happy with. I like the techniques, I like the aesthetic. The leather cubbies, just like combining steel and leather, two of my favorite materials, and to make this super elegant and well-made solution for storage. I think that's great, and I'm sure I'm gonna repeat it in future projects. Anyways, if you want to support what I do, you can support me on Patreon, and I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and I'll see you next week with a new project.